Hey guys, today we are going to be solving a system of equations by multiplying both equations, okay? So the way I go about this is I want to cancel the x in my two equations, but 2x and 3x are not the opposite of one another. So in order to do that, I need to multiply both equations by something that's going to make them opposite of each other. So the top, I'm going to multiply by 3. Okay? The bottom, remember they got to be the opposite. And these are the same sign. So I'm actually going to multiply the bottom by -2. The reason I chose -2 is because if I do 3 times 2, I'll get 6. And if I do -2 times 3, I'll get -6. So that'll give me opposites, and then I can cancel my x's. All right? So I'm going to bring this one down here. And that's going to be 6x. So I'm going to do distributive property here, right? On the entire equation. Don't forget to do the entire equation. So plus 12y equals 18. Now I'm going to do the same thing here with the -2. -2 times 3x is -6x. -2 times 2y is -4y. And then -2 times 5 is -10. Now I can look at my system of equations here, and I can cancel this. All right, the 6x's cancel. Then I have 12y minus 4y. Well, that's 8y equals 18 minus 10 is 8. I have 8y equals 8. So I'm going to divide both sides by 8. That cancels. And that's 8 divided by 8 is 1. So y equals 1. All right? So I know what y is, but I still need to know what x is. So I'm going to move this up here a little bit so you guys can see it better. Y equals 1. Okay? So what I can do is I can take that y value, and I can plug that y value into either one of these original equations. All right, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to plug it into the top equation, okay? So I'll do that over here. So I have 2x plus 4 times 1 equals 6. All right, let's simplify that, and we're going to solve for x. So I have 2x plus 4 equals 6. Next step, I'm going to subtract 4. Subtract 4. Those cancel. I'm left with 2x equals 6 minus 4 is 2. Well, if I divide both sides by 2, that cancels, and x equals 2 divided by 2 is 1. All right? And the way you would write that answer, you would write it as an ordered pair as x, y. But we know our x and y, so I'm going to actually just replace them. Let's get rid of the x and the y. They're both 1. So the answer is 1, 1.